Hi everyone. Hello, welcome to our free online lesson. Okay, for today's topic, we're going to cover best command and tricks of AutoCAD productivity of AutoCAD software. First of all, my name is Nur Farah, and this is my email, nurfarah@acadsystems.com. So if you have any questions that require details answers, you can just email me your questions. And I am from technical that specialize in design and manufacturing in Acadsystems in Berhad. All right. So this is the lesson content for today that we are going to cover. So actually, command and tricks of AutoCAD, there are a lot of command and tricks of AutoCAD, but this that I think I have to cover because it is the best. And the first one would be array in copy, which is we want to copy the object, but in sequence. And then we will use tcount, command tcount, and then tjust, which is to change the space, the grid point of the text. And then we also going to learn about enclose text with object, quick dimension, and then associative hatch, field multiple stretch, also command that can that is good for productivity. Next, find and replace, select similar, break line are also that can reduce command that can reduce our time, a lot of time to complete our project. And we will also touch the quick selection tools, switch between drawing and list command. All right. So let's just start our lesson by, okay, the first one, I want to...
Farah, yeah? You need to switch over your sharing screen.
Switch, oh.
Yes.
Sorry. Share screen. Right.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
So let's start our lesson. All right, thank you. All right. Let's start our lesson by the topic of array in copy, which is I want to copy all copy this 10 number to all of the rectangle. So normally people will copy like usual, copy and then paste one by one, but we have command of array copy, which is like normal CO, and then select object, enter, and then specify the base point, and then at the bottom of the screen you will see array here. Just click and enter the number of item to array. If you want to array at horizontal array, so it will be 10 items. Enter, and then right, like this. If you want to copy vertically, same method, copy and select base point, and then choose array here. And the number for item for copy vertically is 3. Enter, and then choose the point that can copy. Right. So that is array in copy. Next, I want to make the number. I want to change the number, arrange sequentially, increasingly by like 1, 2, 3 until here 10, and then 11, 12, 13. Here is 20, 21 until here is 30. So the number will be arranged increasingly by snake shape. So that's why we're going to learn the command of tcount. So to use tcount, just type in TC and then enter. Then select object, select the first row first, and then enter. Because this is horizontal, then choose X. And now specify the starting number and increment. So the starting number will be this one. So the first number, it will be 1. And then the increment number is the value of different between the number. So I will put 1, 1. Then enter. And this one, click override. I see it will become like this. For the second row, DC, enter, X. Okay, the starting number and the increment will be different because the starting number here will be, because I said this is 11, 12, and this is 20. So the starting number will be 20. And then, oh, sorry. Ni. DC, enter, X, 20, and the increment number will be -1 because the number will decrease by 1. 20, 19, 18 like that. Then enter, click override. Right. Same for the third row. The method will be the same. DC, enter, X. So the first number will be 21 and the increment will be 1. Enter, alright. So it become like this. Right. The next step, I want to enclose all of this number by using enclose circle. So actually, normally people will draw a circle, then draw one circle and then copy one by one. So that will consume a lot of time. So we have, AutoCAD has prepared a command of enclose text here at the Express Tools. Click, and then at the text here can click enclose in object, and then select all object that enclose, and then enter. So the distance offset means the distance from the number to the circle. Right. The greater the number you key in, that means the bigger the circle will be. But I normally put 0.2, so just put 0.2 and then press enter. And there are 3 types of enclose that you can choose, but I'm going to choose circles. Right, this one you can either choose constant or variable, but now I'm going to choose constant. Right, become like that. Okay, right. Now you can see here when I click, the grip point of this number will be at the middle. This two. So we can actually change the grip point, whether at the middle or at the top corner, left, top right, from using a command of tjust. So just type in tj and press enter, and then select object. So I want to choose this number at the second row only for you to see the difference. And then enter. And can choose it, we can change it to top left. Right. Now when you click it, the grid point will be at the top left. So what's the difference? I mean, what's the function of it? Let's say number 4 here has different properties. I will make it a little bigger. This. Here. Right. Now I want to make another number have same properties of number 4. So select if they have the same grip, the position will be the same. And this one, it has different grip, so the position will be different from original. But the properties, it will become like number 4, right? Another command that I think that can help us to reduce a lot of time is the quick. People will like go here and click dimension and have to click one by one. But if you use quick dimension, QDIM, then press enter, then select all the geometry, enter, and then just click the location that you want to put the dimension. You see, it will automatically make for all of the drawing that we choose just now. All right. Next, can go to, we want to use this drawing as our next command, which is associative hatch. Right. Let me see. Okay, let's say I want to stretch this house. Enter. Stretch. Then select object. Then press enter. And then stretch this one. You see, the hatch is not follow the changes. So if you enable the associative hatching from the beginning, the hatch will follow the changes like this. So I will delete this one first and make a new hatch. And for example, I want to use this one. And so this is associative. Make sure you click it. For the old hatch, I don't enable the associative one. That's why it doesn't follow the changes. And now just click the one that we want to hatch. I change the color first, then close. Okay, now I try to enter. Now I want to stretch the house. Enter. And then take the base point. Check. Stretch, select object. Enter. Okay, let me choose other space. Okay, you see, the one, the hatch with associative will follow the changes. This one, I don't enable the associative hatch. That's why it doesn't follow. Right. Next, we're going to use the ground floor plan here for the next command, which is fill. So to use fill, for example, I want to include the text of area of this room. So this is how we do. We draw a polyline for the room. Polyline for the room. Right. Just follow the shape of the room. Press enter. And then at the text, you can double click and then right click, insert field. Okay, at the field category, we must select object, and then object type, we must select object first. So this is the object that we want to select, which is the polyline. And from here, actually, we can know the elevation, the layer. But now I'm going to use area, and this is the preview. This is the area of the room. But you can see at the preview, there's no unit, and you can change it at the additional format. And at suffix, enter the unit, which is square meter. Okay. Then click OK. So it will become like this. Right. The next command that I think very helpful to reduce a lot of time to complete our project is multiple stretch. It means we want to stretch multiple objects at one time. So you can find the command here at Express Tools, and then at here, modify, click stretch multiple. Right. And then specify the option. For example, I want to stretch this bed. This bed. Then press enter. And then just stretch. You can see if I stretch the bed at bedroom 1 like this, the bed at bedroom 2 will follow. Right. So, okay, another command is find and replace. When I want to replace all the word of room here, like bathroom, sitting room, sunroom, to new words like space, so can just type in find, F-I-N-D, enter, and this is the words that you want to replace is room, and then replace with the new word, which is space. And then find where you can either choose entire drawing, but I will choose select object because I don't want the room for bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 to change. So I will select like this. Then enter, replace all. Okay. Then you see the bath space, sun space, the bathroom, sunroom before has become bath space and sun space. Like that. Right. Next, the next command that very helpful is select similar. For example, you want to know how many similar chairs here. So you don't have to click one by one to know the number of it. So what you have to do is just click only one chair and then right click, go to select similar. Select similar. So it will select all, and to know the number of chair, can go to properties, enter. So, this is block reference 60, block reference 60. So it has 60 same chairs here. Okay. Okay, next. Next is command of break line. The break line that I mentioned is like this. This is break line. So normally people who don't know the trick, they will draw the line manually by drawing this line and then this symbol. step by step, but actually AutoCAD has prepared the command of break line, where at here, express tool, this one, at draw, break line symbol, and click the first point, and then second point, and then click at where you want to put the break symbol. So let's say I want to put it at the midpoint. So it become like that. Another break command that related is break. Enter. And then where you select the point, the first point and the second point. So let's say here is the second point. So it will automatically trim your line. So you don't have to draw a reference line and then just trim. So you can just use this command. All right. Okay, another command that I think is very interesting is quick selection, which is the command is QSE. And then enter. And then, for example, I want to select any properties that have that use this layer. For example, furniture. Yeah, the object type you can choose whether polyline, line, but I will use multiple. And then this one can either stay at entire drawing or can just choose the object, specific object, but I'm going to use the entire drawing. And then click OK. See, it will quick select your desired object. Right. Right, now you can see there are 5 drawings here, including the start. So just now I changed the drawing by clicking here, here, and here. So actually there are one command that is can help us to reduce time, which is Control Tab. See, you press Control and hold, and then tab. Press tab, so it will change the drawing. Right. We also has a list command where it will list the information of the selection object. Like for example, li for list command, and then enter, then select object. I want to know the area of this rectangle, so I select this rectangle, then press enter. So here, this is the list of information of that rectangle. They give area, they give perimeter. So that's all our lesson for today. I think so. If you have any question, you can just drop your question at the chat box or can comment at our YouTube channel. Rewatch this video or our previous video. You can go to our website, which is acadsystems.com, and this is our page. You scroll down a bit. This is our latest promotion and news. Scroll down a bit more. You can find our free online lesson topic, which is this is for today's topic.
Farah,
and this is for upcoming topic.
Farah, you need to, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. You share the screen now. Yes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, right. So when you click, you can register here, and later we will give you the invitation email. Right. Okay, scroll down more. You can find our media social, including the Facebook and YouTube, and also our email. But previous video, just click YouTube and it will bring you to our channel, YouTube channel, which is Acadsystems Sdn Bhd. So these are the free online lesson video that already done. You can always watch from here, and just don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you will receive notification. All right. I think that's all. If you have no questions, I will end here. Oh yeah, sorry for the lag. I don't know. Lately, the internet connection here is not very stable. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and don't forget to join our next upcoming free online lesson. Right, bye-bye.